Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GMC Sierra vs Tacoma, which is better. Focus on towing, payload, fuel economy, cabin comfort, and ownership costs to pick the right truck for your needs. I'll walk through practical scenarios and driver priorities so you can match capabilities to lifestyle. Listen for trade-offs between power and maneuverability, and use the closing checklist to decide which pickup fits your daily commute and weekend plans. We'll compare engine options, towing specs, and real-world fuel economy to show how each truck performs under load. I'll describe scenarios like hauling a camper, moving gear, or towing a work trailer, and how that changes the recommendation. Pay attention to braking, cooling, and transmission behavior because those affect comfort and long-term ownership. I'll highlight which setup balances capability with everyday drivability and fuel costs. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I've been using the leak-proof meal prep containers shown here, and they make packing lunches a breeze. They're a helpful little convenience whether you're loading a truck for a weekend trip or a workday, and you can find the link plus extra deals in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. We'll look at interior quality, ride comfort, tech features, and long-term reliability to help you understand daily life with each truck. I'll talk about cargo versatility, bed features, and cabin ergonomics that matter on long trips or workdays. Also consider dealer service networks, projected maintenance, and how common upgrades affect resale. Together, we'll weigh short-term comfort versus long-term value to find the right match for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.